Okay, the purpose of this video is basically to show you the Hello World.c program with a different perspective. Okay, so I'm going to actually open this file. This is just a simple C Hello World program. We have the main function, and in this function I have the printf statement which basically prints Hello World on the console. Other than this, there's something more important that we usually skip and do not pay attention to, which is this line #include studio.h. Okay, now how the compiler knows the location of it? Well, the simple answer to that is it's actually included while we are installing the GCC compiler. Okay, so when you are doing GCC installation, there are few directories that are automatically included. One such directory is /user and include. Okay, so this is one of the directories that is automatically included. So if I want to see vim user include and studio.h, okay, so this is the file which is actually included and these are the content of it. Okay, this is somewhere around 850 lines. Okay, I can go ahead and do something more interesting for you. I can show you the pre-processed output of the C program. So the command for that is gcc -e hello.c and yes, there should be -o hello.i. Okay, so this will be the pre-processed output and it would be the output would be stored in hello.i. So if I hit this command, I'll have hello.i here. Okay, if I go ahead and open this file, you see this is actually the same program, ind main print hello world, right? Except the #include has been removed and its content has been put. So we know that in the pre-processed file, what happens is basically the #include and #define would be replaced. So we can see here that #include studio.h has been replaced by its content, and this is the same file that we saw in user include studio.h, right? Okay, now there's one more thing. We know that these are the header files, so these include the declarations of the function that we use in our program, right? So I can go ahead and show you the printf statement that we have used in our program. So if you see here, this is the declaration of the printf statement. Okay, so this is the declaration. Let's go ahead and see the definition of, okay, not exactly see the definition, but I can show you where the actual functionality of printf comes from, right? So if I compile this program hello.c, right, I will get an output file a.out. So if I want to see what all libraries has been used in this executable, I can go ahead and run a command ldd a.out. If you see here, it has listed some libraries. Now what we are interested in, this libc. Okay, so this is the library which actually contains the definition of printf statement, right? So this is the actual location of the libc. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you that this particular library contains the definition of printf statement. Okay, so the way to do that is obj dump st location of this file, of this library, sorry, and then I can go ahead and grab for printf. Okay, so as you can see, it has printed some of the printf. Okay, so this is the line that we were looking for. You see, this is the printf statement and its definition is contained in this libc library, right? Okay, so just to summarize this video, we'll have a look at the content that we went through. So #include studio.h, how we know the location of it, or how the system knows the location of it. Well, it is included while we are installing GCC by default would include some of the default locations. One of them is /user include, and it contains the actual content of the studio.h. Okay, we saw this file. Now this file contains the declarations of all the functions of the standard library. Okay, so then we saw the output, preprocessed output of a C program. Okay, and hello.i. So here, okay, so then we have this hello.i, which is actually preprocessed output. Then we saw that how hash include studio.h has been replaced by the actual content of the studio.h file, right? And then finally we compile this program. Okay, got the output a.out. You can see what a library it is using, libso, libc.so. okay, then we saw the content of it, and the command was objdump -t, the library location, and then we grep for. So there was the actual definition, which is actually loaded into the memory. Okay, so I would be doing more videos on declaration and definition, the difference between the two, and more on the object dump output. Okay, thanks for watching.